I'm Rob Atkinson, Director and Operations Manager at AEC Solar Division. Today we're here working a weekend at Drake's Garage, Shipton Thorpe, East Yorkshire. This site consists of a two-phase operation totaling of 131 kilowatts peak of PV solar. Since the installation of the 76.8 kilowatt peak system last year, the system has exceeded expectations and Drake's have decided to push phase 2 forward, giving them another 54.8 kilowatt peak on their showroom building. Not only are they making huge energy savings with a payback less than 4 years, they are also exceeding sustainability targets and giving their company a high PAS 2060 scope, which is the international recognised specification for carbon neutral criteria.